Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Total War Rome 2 Empire Edition. To begin your journey, select one of over 10 distinct factions, each offering unique units and starting challenges across the vast campaign map. This map encompasses 3 major continents: Europe, Africa, and Asia. Familiarize yourself with the user interface, which is crucial for managing your settlements, recruiting armies, and overseeing your burgeoning empire. Understanding these initial steps is fundamental to building a powerful and enduring Roman legacy. Mastering the campaign map is vital for long-term success. Focus on developing your provinces by constructing a variety of buildings that boost both your economy and military strength. It is crucial to maintain public order above 50% in each region to prevent widespread rebellions that can cripple your empire. Additionally, engage in strategic diplomacy, forming alliances with friendly factions, or declaring war on rivals to expand your influence across the map. Winning battles is at the heart of Total War Rome 2. Deploy your diverse units strategically, considering the terrain and the enemy's army composition. Utilize unique unit abilities and formations, such as Testudo or Shield Wall, to gain a tactical advantage during engagements. Remember to flank enemy units with fast-moving cavalry or light infantry. This maneuver can provide significant damage bonuses and quickly break enemy morale, leading to decisive victories on the battlefield. For advanced empire building, prioritize researching technologies from a tree of over 100 options, unlocking powerful new buildings, units, and faction-wide bonuses. Recruit and effectively manage your generals, who lead your armies, and agents, who perform covert operations like assassinations or sabotage. Finally, always maintain a robust economy. A strong financial foundation is essential to support your vast military and extensive infrastructure, ensuring your empire's enduring prosperity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.